Hi friends, welcome in this online class of Jizawu Jnana Tirth Vidyalay, Pathri Road, Parbhani. Today we have to see the science of 7th standard. In this book, we are in the second chapter. The name of the chapter is Plant Structure and Function. Okay, in this chapter, up to the last lecture, we have seen the information about root, parts of root, types of roots, and with examples. Next organ, that is stem, different organs of the stem, leaf, types of leaf, that is simple leaf, compound leaf, or on the basis of their leaf margin. There are three types, or the arrangement of the leaf on the stem. These different types or different topic we have seen in the last. So friends, see, there is a reticular and parallel venation. So friends, today we have to take the information about the next organ of the plant, that is flower. Carefully observe a fully open hibiscus flower. You know about hibiscus flower? जास्वंदाचं फूल. Flowers may have a long or a short stalk called pedicels. ओके, त्याला देठ असं म्हणतात. देठ मग छोटा असतो किंवा मोठा असतो. वन एंड ऑफ द पेडिसेल इज अटॅच टू द स्टेम. दिस इज द center point between the flower and stem of that plant. The other end of the pedicel is expanded and swollen. It is called the receptacles. Okay, receptacles. Petals and other parts of the flower are supported on the receptacle. See, petals and other parts of the flower are supported on the receptacle. Calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium are different parts of the flower. See, there is different parts of the flower, that is androecium, gynoecium, calyx, corolla. Okay, next. So in that we have to take every part in deep. First, calyx. Okay, see, निदलपुंज. कॅलिक्स म्हणजे काय? निदलपुंज. इन द बड कंडिशन द पेटल्स आर कवर्ड बाय लीफ लाइक पार्ट कॉल्ड सेपल विच आर ग्रीन इन कलर. दे फॉर्म अ कॅलिक्स. ओके, कळी अवस्थेमध्ये फुलाला ज्या हिरव्या भागानं कव्हर केलेलं असतं तो म्हणजे काय? निदलपुंज. त्याला कॅलिक्स असं म्हटलं जातं. नेक्स्ट, कोरोला म्हणजे दलपुंज. दिस इज मेड बाय कलरफुल पार्ट्स कॉल्ड पेटल्स म्हणजे पाकळे आपल्या दलपुंज. ऑब्झर्व द शेप, कलर अँड स्मेल ऑफ द कोरोला ऑफ व्हेरियस फ्लॉवर्स लाईक द रोज, चेरिसॅन्थियम, हिबिस्कस, मोगरा, कनेर, तगार, etc. Okay, you have seen the corolla of different flowers of different colors. Okay, next, androecium. This is the male reproductive part of the flower. It consists of stamens. Okay, stamens is each stamen is made up of anther and filament. See, there is a stamen that is made by anther and filament. Okay, because androecium is a male reproductive system. You can observe in the diagram the yellow colored anther, and that is attached to the flower with the help of filament. So we combinedly called as anther and filament is androecium. Next is gynoecium. This is the female reproductive part of the flower. See, androecium and gynoecium, these are very close to each other. See, this is made up of carpels. A carpels consist of stigma, style and ovary. Kukshi, kukshivranta and andashe. Stigma, style and ovary, these three are the parts of gynoecium. Take a vertical section of a hibiscus flower with the help of a sharp blade. By cutting the flower vertically from stigma to pedicel, both sections of the flower will be seen to have the same structure. After maturity, anther bursts and the pollen grains which are released fall on the stigma. See, that pollen grains from the anther spread or falls on the stigma. This process is called pollination. परागीभवन असं आपण त्याला म्हणतो. Due to pollination, ovules, egg cell in the ovary get fertilized. Fertilized ovule form the seed and the ovary develops into a fruit. See, this is the most important point. This process is called pollination. Due to the pollination, ovule, egg cell in the ovary gets fertilized. Fertilized ovule form the seed and the ovary develop into a fruit. Okay, so friends, this is about the flower and how fertilization or pollination is occurred in the flower, and after that pollination, this flower is converted into fruit. Okay, so this is the information about the flower. Flower is the most attractive part of that plant or any plant, or these flowers are available to us in the nature in different colors. So friends, we will stop here. Next topic we have to take in the next lecture. Okay, thank you.